In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Stripe on Google Sites. We're going to connect a Stripe payment link to your Google site by turning it into an embedded buy button. By the end, you'll have a working payment button your visitors can click to pay you directly through Stripe. Start by opening your Google Sites dashboard. Make sure you're signed into the Google account that owns the site you want to edit. Once the dashboard loads, you'll see a list of your existing sites. Click on the site where you want to add the Stripe button so it opens in the editor. On the right-hand side of the Google Sites editor, you'll see a panel with different options like text box, images, and so on. Look for the option called Embed and click on it. A small window will pop up with two tabs, one for URL and one for embed code. You want the embed code tab, so click on that to switch over. Now leave that window open for a moment and in a new browser tab, go to your Stripe dashboard. Once you're inside Stripe, look for the section called Payment Links in the menu. This is where Stripe stores links you've created to charge for products, services, or subscriptions. From the list of payment links, click on the one you want to turn into a button on your Google site. This will open the details for that payment link. On this page, find the option labeled Buy Button and click on it. Stripe will show you a preview of a button and some HTML code you can use to embed it on your website. Scroll to the area under the HTML source code where you see a button or option simply called Button under the Configure section. Click on that if needed so you're seeing the final embed code for your Buy button. When you're ready, click on Copy Code to copy that HTML snippet to your clipboard. Now go back to your Google Sites tab, where the embed code window is still open. Click inside the code field and paste the HTML code you just copied from Stripe. Once it's pasted, click Next. Google Sites will process the code and show you a preview of the embedded content. If it looks correct, click Insert. Your Stripe Buy button will now appear on the page. You can drag it into position, resize the section if needed, and then publish your site so visitors can start making payments through Stripe.